Hello everyone, I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Survey Junkie. I had one of my subscribers ask me a question, and I'm going to answer that question in today's video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe. Don't forget to tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Okay? So Survey Junkie is a survey site where you take surveys and you get paid, and you also get disqualification points. Now, disqualification points are points you get just when you don't qualify for the survey and you get sent back to the home page, which is Survey Junkie. They basically give you 3 points for saying thank you for trying the survey. So you get between 1 to 3 points if you don't qualify for every survey you take on Survey Junkie. Now, in order to understand surveys, you have to understand that you have to have patience and you have to put time and effort into this. Now, when I first started doing surveys, I did a survey site called Vindo Research back in 2014. And I can honestly tell you that was nerve-wracking and I didn't understand nothing about surveys. I was getting up at 4 a.m. and working practically from 4 a.m. to 12 a.m. I was working all day long just to make $50 because, like I said, when I first started online, I really wanted to see how true it was that I can make money from home. Now, it took me a whole month just to make that $50, but that's because I wasn't consistent with it. When you're doing surveys, the more consistent you are, the more surveys you qualify for and the more you can complete. Now, since I've been doing surveys for so long, I know which ones that I can complete and what I will and won't qualify for. Okay? So, knowing that you get disqualification points should not make you not want to take surveys. It should make you want to take surveys more because you still get something for trying and something for your efforts. Okay, that's what you want to focus on when it comes to surveys, whether or not you get something out basically for doing the survey. If you spend 20 minutes on the survey or 40 minutes, you don't qualify for it or get to complete it, you're going to want something out of that. Okay? But if you understand the demographics, like you have to be a certain age, you have to work in a certain industry, you have to be a certain race. Um, there's so many things that go into demographics, of surveys. That's why they ask you to create a profile so they can match you with surveys. So, but just remember this: if you understand surveys, you'll be able to qualify. And if you're consistently doing surveys, you will qualify for surveys and complete them. Now, I am really good with TAP research surveys on other sites, and I qualify for TAP research, and they give disqualification points. And you know, there's times where I've completed surveys and got the bigger amount of points for it, but I do TAP research all the time. That's why I qualify for it. If you do Survey Junkie, you will qualify for Survey Junkie, and you will complete surveys. Now, I have cashed out on Survey Junkie 9 times. My lifetime points are 9,521, which means I've made $90 on this site. Okay. Once I cash out again, this is going to be $100 I made on this site. Okay. So hold on 1 second. Okay. So now this is just showing you the points I have. 203 points, which is equivalent to $2.03. Okay. So, and some people will tell you that some people will make a Survey Junkie video and tell you, oh, just do the higher point surveys. Those ones take long. Those ones you get the points faster. Listen, you guys, I've already tried the higher point surveys and only doing these. That doesn't work. Not for me, it doesn't. I tried that. Only doing the higher payout surveys. It takes a long. You have to be doing these on a consistent basis to get the higher points. You will only qualify for what you do. I do every single survey. I don't skip surveys at all. I do all the surveys until I run out, and then they're always uploading surveys. Remember that too. Okay, so let's get into the question. Okay. Okay, let's go to help. Whenever you guys want a question answered, you go to help, you click on help, and these are all the popular frequently asked questions here. Now what we're going to do is go to redemption, and the question you guys were asking, the person asked is, can I cash out from gift cards? Do they give gift cards? Here's the answer to that question. You can redeem your points. Basically, you can get a payout from Survey Junkie through either e-gift cards, PayPal, or a bank transfer. E-gift cards and bank transfers are currently available to the U.S. residents only. Okay? Not all users will be eligible for all redemption methods. Please note all dollar amounts that appear anywhere on the site are United States dollars. Check conversion rates to approximate the reward value for your country's currency. Okay? Remember that. So you can withdraw or get a payout through either e-gift cards, PayPal, cash, or a bank transfer. Those are the three payout methods that Survey Junkie uses. Okay, so e-gift card, electronic gift card, they'll send it to your email. You can get cash, which is PayPal, or a bank transfer, which is you give them your bank information and they transfer your money over. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here and show you guys something really quickly. I want you guys to know who can sign up. Can anyone be a member of Survey Junkie? Listen to this. This is what, it's not worldwide. It tells you members must be 16 or older and reside in the United States, Canada, or Australia. So Survey Junkie is not a worldwide survey site. It tells you here it's only for the United States, Canada, or Australia. That's it. That's what it says, okay? So if you want to find out if they offer, if you have PayPal, I'm pretty sure you can cash out in other areas, but it shows here that the members that sign up, they have to reside in the United States, Canada, or Australia. Okay, it doesn't say worldwide. Now, I'm letting you guys know that because a lot of you asked that question. Now, there's your answer. But if you want more insight on that, you can always contact them, and they'll answer it for you, give you more details. I just decided to come on here and make this video because I saw a comment. Someone was asking me, can you get a gift card from Survey Junkie? So you can only do e-gift cards, PayPal cash, bank transfer. Those are the three payout options that Survey Junkie offers, okay? Remember, when you're taking surveys, be patient. They are frustrating. Like I said, I've been doing it for a long time, okay? I've cashed out 9 times on this site. I really didn't think Survey Junkie paid out because I thought it was going to take forever, and it takes me, I give myself a week, sometimes 2 weeks to do the surveys, but at that time when I first signed up, I was doing the surveys all day, every day. That was what I was doing. So now, what you should do is you should do Survey Junkie once a day. Like, do all the surveys. Once it says no more surveys, come back the next day, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do that. Because in that way, you give the surveys time to load, to reload, and then you come back, there'll be more surveys. You won't run out of surveys. Survey Junkie's always uploading more surveys, and you know this because you get emails. They send you emails. They send you notifications to your email that a survey has arrived, or that you qualify for this survey, or come take this survey. They always have surveys for you to take. But when you're on the site and you're doing the surveys, it will say you've completed all the surveys for the day. Come back when there's more surveys. That's normal. Don't get freaked out when that happens. That's normal. You just have to wait until the next day. You don't have to. You can, but you won't have as many surveys to take it if you decide to, come on here every 5 minutes. I would do all the surveys up until you get that message. No more surveys for the day. Come back tomorrow. I'll do it again. Because in that way, you'll grow your points faster and you'll cash out faster. Also, if you signed up with Survey Junkie, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm going to tell you this before I end this video. Let me see if I can find this here. Okay, blah, blah. Let me see. Let me see here. I'm trying to find, okay, here it is. Okay, so this is for those of you that signed up after this date. If you signed up for Survey Junkie on or after September 16, 2019, you're eligible to redeem at 500 points. If you signed up with Survey Junkie on September 16th or after, if you signed up before, this isn't for you. But if you signed up on September 16th or after it, like if you signed up today, you'd be eligible for a $500 points, which means you cash out at $5. Okay? Now, I did create a new account with a different email address, and you can do that with a different email that matches my PayPal, and I do have a Survey Junkie account that I can redeem for 500 points, okay? That's $5. So for those of you that signed up with Survey Junkie on or after September 16, 2019, you can be eligible to redeem your points at $5, which is